A 1965 Austin 3000 Mark III.
Oh, that's beautiful. You need to come to this show. It's amazing. Everything is here. Look behind me. Look behind me. There's so much to show you guys. 3 for tenner. That's cheap. 129. Yeah. Like the baseball bat.
Machine for injectors, is it?
Injectors, yeah.
So big. You wouldn't believe it.
It's a Honda K24.
Honda K. Tiny house. So let's go explore 3,000 car. As on this show. I mean,
Winning at Le Mans in 1995 in GT2.
RM, Imran.
massive. Win me for pounds. That's nice.